Hi everybody, it's Adrienne again, and we are on day 3 full days since my 2-level cervical disc replacement surgery. Today was better than yesterday overall. I had some stiffness still in the morning for sure. The swallowing is tight but doable in the morning. I had just general stiffness in my back. The worst pain I have is just right in the center, right on my, basically on my spine. And it kind of comes down across both sides of my, my shoulder blades. But, you know, mostly manageable. All I took today is, in terms of medicine, was 2 ibuprofen in the morning and then just 2 just now before bed. I mean, I could probably take some more, but I feel like I'm pretty functional without it. Once I get some ibuprofen in me, things start to kind of calm down and relax, and so I feel pretty good after that. Big feat of the day was to get in the shower. So I had a what I think was a waterproof bandage all the way across and gauze, but the whole thing was covered with like a plastic big clear like Band-Aid. So I showered with that on, and that kept everything dry. Showering was okay. It's hard, obviously, to lean my head back and rinse my hair, but I got it for the most part, and you know, got everything fresh and clean. I didn't do my hair after that, so this is just out of the shower hair, but anyway, I got that accomplished, so that was a big feat, and I was curious as to what this was going to look like. So I took the dressing off after the shower, and it was totally clean. There had been no drainage, no blood or anything on that piece of gauze. So that, I think, is a good sign. I mean, you can see it here. I got the steri strips, but it looks and it feels pretty flat. If anything, it's almost like denting inward. It's because it's out now and it's kind of exposed in my hair and whatnot. It's starting to kind of get a little itchy, but I think that is okay. It's kind of a healing sign. But so yeah, the big thing of the day was first thing in the morning, getting up and getting a shower. Kind of after I stretched and woke up, but actually I think the warm shower helped a little bit. I was able to eat better today. I had a full bowl of chicken noodle soup. It still takes me a while. I chew stuff a lot and make sure it's pretty mushy still, but I had that. I had a popsicle. I had some yogurt for breakfast. Still trying to drink lots of water. Then I went over, I had a car ride today, first car ride since leaving the hospital. I wear my collar in the car just for, it's pothole season and just for going over bumps and stuff, but I just went not too far down to my parents' house and we had dinner. So I had soup and peas and dessert over there. Still nothing too major just because it's kind of a long process to chew everything and to swallow, and it still pulls when I do that a little bit. It's not bad at all, but I just haven't been eating a lot as much as I normally do, so it just takes me longer. But overall, it's been a pretty good day. My husband had some work to do today, so I had some other people at home to help me out, and I have a 2-year-old at home, so he needs attention more than I can give him. I can't pick him up or anything right now, so I have some help for him mostly. I was able to take a couple little cat naps and watch TV and hang out, but I was pretty active today as far as getting the shower, and I took my walks outside, and I walked around the house a little bit, and walked over at my parents' house. So trying to stay active and up on my feet a little bit. It's still nice to be able to just relax, though. After a while, I just get tired. My head gets tired, my neck, and I just need to lay back for a few minutes and kind of let it rest. I haven't so far had any other issues. Everything feels pretty good. It's at least as good as it was before surgery, if not better. I never had pain, very little pain, and it was this very central spine, in between my shoulder blades pain, if I had pain at all. Most people say that they notice pain relief right away. Well, I didn't notice that, but it was because I didn't have it before. And the pain I'm having now, I think, is related to the surgery itself. So I think that's what's going on there. I am noticing a lot ever since the very beginning on my right side when I use my right arm and like lift it up or just move in certain ways. There's some popping going on in my shoulder, and I think it's just some maybe tight muscles or tendons, kind of ligaments pulling or popping over the bones. It's a little bit painful after it happens a couple times over and over again, but it's not, it doesn't feel like it's in my neck. It's more like pulling and something kind of rubbing, but that's the only thing that's kind of annoying right now, is that feeling. And it's not all the time, but I definitely can feel it. I feel it. Just depends. It's not happening right now, but just when certain things, whatever I do. So there's that. I still feel like my left side is a little weaker and a little bit reduced sensation compared to the right. And they said that that's normal. That may stay that way. That may not get better, or it may take a long time to get better. Nerves take a while to regenerate and heal. So I just kind of have to take it day by day on that. But I think it's been a pretty good day. Less medicine than the day before, and right now my swallowing feels pretty good. I was able to eat a lot of normal foods today. I haven't tried eating a hamburger or anything big yet, but I think I can start to up the diet and the types of food and everything. So I think those are my big updates for the day. Shower, car ride, feeling pretty good most of the day. I took it easy, that's for sure. I think it's very easy to start healing and start feeling better and start wanting to do too much, whether that's, take care of my son or carry something that's maybe a little too heavy or something like that. So I'm trying to have to remind myself to take it easy and let other people do things. It's hard to think you can do it and wait for other people's help when they're used to you doing it on your own too. So it's kind of hard. I don't think anyone thinks I'm being lazy. It's just a little extra work for them now. But trying to be good, trying to be careful. My biggest worry is just that this all heals correctly, that I don't have any more pressure on my spinal cord, and that these discs heal and they stay in a good alignment so that they don't get out of place, and that I can move and that they stay functional. I have been able to take ibuprofen, and they say that can possibly help with not allowing the bones to overgrow, the heterotropic ossifications, and that's where your bone kind of grows beyond the disc replacement, the metal, and kind of connects and either pokes out as a bone spur or starts to try to fuse over. So they say ibuprofen can kind of help with that. So that's been my pain relief of choice anyway. Still haven't taken a whole bunch of it. I took some this morning and I'll take some tonight, and that's really it. So that's the story on today. I think there's my my scar, if you can see it. It's starting to get a little itchy, and I don't know if there's really, if it's not really numb. It's kind of maybe a little puffy down there, but trying to keep that clean and keep keep it dry and all of that. So I think overall I'm starting to get better. It's only been a couple days. I'm surprised. My voice feels pretty good. My swallowing feels pretty good. There's a little bit of tightness and pulling that's not normal, but it's getting a lot better. The one thing that does hurt, is might sound weird, but if I have like gas or a burp or something, that tends to kind of fill my whole chest with a stretching, kind of burning sensation until that's over, until that pressure is relieved. So that's been a little bit tough. I've had a couple sneezes today that I was a little paranoid about. Everything. I just don't want to move too fast and try to brace myself when those things happen. But that's life. You have to still kind of live your life as best you can. But I think I'm doing good. I don't want to jinx anything. I just want things to keep getting better and staying positive. So just wanted to give you a quick update for the day. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I will keep you posted. Talk to you later. Bye.